Welcome to Knowing the Universe. This course will cover the history and philosophy of astronomy, the oldest science. We'll look at how humans learned to ask questions about the universe, and even before the invention of modern instruments like the telescope, learn some amazing things about their place in nature, starting with prehistoric cultures who kept accurate calendars, and then on through the time of the Greek philosophers who laid down the rudiments of logic and mathematics and the modern scientific method. We'll look at the revolutions of Copernicus through Galileo and Newton that redefined our place in the universe, no longer at the center of the universe on an immobile Earth, but moving through space, part of a solar system, and eventually, in the 19th century, part of a galaxy of stars. The slow revealing of knowledge with modern instrumentation continues into the 20th century. We'll look at the revolutions in physics at the early 20th century that redefined ideas of space and time, mass and energy. And then on into modern cosmology, which has defined us as one galaxy in a universe of hundreds of billions of galaxies, nearly 14 billion years old. At the end, we'll ask questions that don't necessarily have answers. What came before the Big Bang? Is there anything outside our universe? What is reality? And we'll finish by looking at the role of life in the universe and ask whether the Earth is the only place with biology on it. So join me on an adventure of ideas and history and philosophy that looks at the world's oldest subject, astronomy, but with the new information we're learning from the best generation of current telescopes.